Good afternoon, my very, very pogi and macho client na napakabait. Ang tagal na namin nag-uusap, we've been talking for months, and finally, we've met and I bought his car. Napacheck ko na kasi yung kotse, twice na, so papacheck ko ulit. So anyway, it's always been a pleasure talking to you. And so finally, nabayaran ko na yung kotse. It's a 2016 na formado, 2016 Trailblazer. Ano yung shocks ito ulit? Oldman Imo, swerte yung mga ito. Ilang inches naka-lift yan? 2. Tapos naka Black Rider na rims. Wala ka nang gagawin. Tapos sir, it was very, very well maintained. Ano yung mileage ng kotse? Kasi kami sa all cars, we have a no mileage tampering guarantee. So I want it to be heard from you. 102,000. Sabi ko, 99 mo lang sana. Okay na, that's life. So, even that medyo, actually for the year, 2016, sakto lang yung mileage for SUV. So, formado naman. So, swerte pa rin yung makakuha nito. So, thank you so much, and I'll see you in a few years again. Yeah. Thank you. If you want to sell your cars, my name is Kodo Godarzi Paul Cars. Have a nice, fantastic day.